My name is Divanshu Pratap Singh, and today my topic is perimeter and area. So first we have to know what is perimeter and area. A perimeter is a closed path that interpasses, surrounds, or outlines either a two-dimensional shape or a one-dimensional length is called perimeter. Now we know about area. Area is a quantity that expresses the extent of a two-dimensional region, say a planar lamina in the plane is called area. Surface of area it is enveloped on the two-dimensional surface of a three-dimensional object. There are some formulas of perimeter and area, like area of a square is b equal to base, h equal to perpendicular height equals a equal to bh. And there are more formulas that we have to know, like area of a rectangular a b equals to parallel side lengths or h equals to perpendicular height. There are more formulas that we have to know. Examples to learn and understand fast. The length and the breadth of rectangular field are 120 meter and 75 meter, respectively. Find area of the field and the cost of the turfling it at rupees 15, 15 per meter square. Second, the perimeter of the field and the cost of the fencing it at rupees 40 per meter. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, cost of fencing it at rupees 40 per m. Solution length of the field first area of the field equals to 1 bracket 120 multiply into 75 meter square equal to 9,000 meter square. Cost of the turfling the field equal to rupees bracket 9,000 into 15 bracket equal to rupees 9,000 into 15. Second, perimeter of the field equal to 2 2 into L plus B units equal to 2 into bracket 120 plus 75. M equals to 2 into 195. M equals to 390 meter. The cost of the fencing rupees is 390 into 40. The answer is 15,600. Things to remember. A plane figure together with its interior is called the region enclosed by the plane figure. The standard unit of the
Area of air sides, area of a rectangle, triangle as parts of rectangle. Rectangle, the sum of the area of the two triangle into which a diagonal of a rectangle divides. The rectangle is the same as the area of the rectangle along the triangle are square in area. The area of a rectangle sheet, the height of the sheet is what is
Meter. Parameter, parameter is the distance around a closed figure. The word parameter is derived from the word peri, which means around, and meter, which means measure. Since parameter is the measuring around something, or we can say that parameter of a figure is the sum of all its sides. Since parameter is the distance around a figure, it is expressed in different units of length like meter, centimeter, kilometer, etc. Perimeter of a square equal to 4 multiplied by side. For example, if side of a square is 4 centimeter, then perimeter of a square equal to 4 multiplied by 4 centimeter equal to 16 centimeter. Perimeter of a rectangle equal to 2 length plus breadth. For example, if perimeter of a rectangle, if length equal to 8 centimeter and breadth equal to 2 centimeter, then perimeter equal to 2 multiplied by 8 plus 2 centimeter equal to 2 multiplied by 10 centimeter equal to 20 centimeter. Perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter of a triangle equal to sum of all its sides. A plus B plus C. For example, if A equal to 3 centimeter, B equal to 2 centimeter, C equal to 5 centimeter, then perimeter equal to 3 plus 2 plus 5 centimeter equal to 10 centimeter. Perimeter of equilateral equal to 3 multiplied by side equal to 3A. For example, if A equal to 2 centimeter, then perimeter equal to 3 multiplied by 2 centimeter equal to 6 centimeter. Now I am discussing about area. A closed figure occupies some surface of the plane is called its area. The amount of the surface within the closed figure is called its area. In other words, area is the amount of space enclosed by a closed figure. Area of a square equal to side multiplied by side. For example, if side of a square is 6 centimeter, so area of a square equal to 6 multiplied by 6 centimeter equal to 36 centimeter square. Area of a rectangle equal to length multiplied by breadth. For example, if length equal to 3 centimeter and breadth equal to 2 centimeter, then area of rectangle equal to 3 multiplied by 2 centimeter equal to 6 centimeter square. Area of a parallelogram equal to base multiplied by height. Area of a triangle equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by base multiplied by height. Area of a square equal to pi r square, where pi equal to 22 upon 7 and r equal to radius of a circle. Thank you.